In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Canva. Whether you're creating social media content, a presentation, or a promo video, being able to drop videos straight into your Canva designs is incredibly useful. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your own clips, use stock videos, and adjust them so they look clean and professional. First, open Canva in your browser or the Canva app and log into your account. On the home page, choose the type of design you want to create. This could be a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, a presentation, or even a custom-sized canvas. Don't worry too much if you're unsure which one to pick. You can always resize later if you need to. Once your blank design or template is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main toolbar. Here you'll see options like templates, elements, uploads, and more. To add your own video files from your computer or phone, click on Uploads. Then choose the Video tab if it's visible, or simply click the Upload button and select your video file. Canva will start uploading it, and you'll see a small thumbnail appear once it's ready to use. Larger files can take a bit longer, so give it a moment. If you'd rather use stock footage, go back to the left toolbar and click on the Videos option. This opens Canva's built-in video library. You can search for a specific theme or keyword, like nature, office, or background, and then scroll through the available clips. When you find one you like, click it once and it will drop straight into your design. Now that your video is on the page, you can resize it by dragging the corners and reposition it simply by clicking and dragging it around. To make the video your full background, drag it until it covers the entire page, and Canva will usually snap it into place automatically. To trim or adjust the length of the video, select it and look for the trim or scissors icon in the top toolbar. Click that and use the handles on the timeline to set the start and end points. This is helpful if you only want a short portion of a longer clip. When you're happy with how everything looks, you can add text, graphics, or other elements on top of the video, just like you would with a static design. Finally, click the Download or Share button at the top right. Choose your preferred video format and export your design. That's all it takes to add video in Canva and start creating engaging, dynamic content.